friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna share with you how I style these soft dreadlocks. So first of all, if you are interested in knowing how I did them, I'm just gonna put a quick link somewhere in the corner of the video. You can go check it out. We are just gonna go ahead and dive right into the first video, right into the first style. What am I saying? First style. So here we go. Well, that's all I have for you guys today in this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much. Stay blessed and bye.